Let's turn our attention to Anambra State, where the government has shut down a facility operating as a hospital in Umuya, Oyi local government area after uncovering it was being allegedly used as a baby factory. The Mother and Child Hospital and Maternity, located at the school road near Tansian University, was sealed on Saturday following a raid that began on Friday. Officials from the State Ministry of Health, in collaboration with security agencies, has arrested 15 persons, including 5 pregnant women and key staff members. Many teenage girls were also rescued from this facility. The State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Afam Obidike, said the facility was operating with a falsified license and was owned by a self-proclaimed medical doctor from Delta State. Dr. Obidike alleged that the syndicate was involved in trafficking and exploiting girls aged 15, 19 and 21. The commissioner confirmed that a full investigation had begun and suspects would face charges including human trafficking, unlawful detention and child exploitation. Executive Director, Integrated Anti-Human Trafficking and Community Development Initiative, I hope Okoye joins me on the news. It's good to have you join us. We understand that many teenage girls were rescued from this facility. This is just one out of another raid. How much of success would you say this has pointed to in the fight against human trafficking?
Okay, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Please confirm.
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
Okay. This is one out of the various fights and interventions of this present administration of Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo that has a zero tolerance to all form of trafficking and all form of gender-based violence and any form of violence and exploitation of the vulnerable in the state. And we know this is not the first time we are hearing about news of the state government intervention through the Ministry of Women Affairs with police and other law enforcement agents, the NAPTIP and others in the state. When we talk about baby factory, trafficking in babies, I must tell you, as far back as not less than 10 years ago, the Southeast Nigeria has been declared as synonymous to baby factory regarding the operations of some of the fake medicals and even licensed hospitals in the state. We remember of the case of the Dr. Ezuma in Aba, in Abia State. there. Just like when you talk about people being forced into prostitution, you would think that they are just there on their on their own accord to do prostitution. Meanwhile, you wouldn't know
it's great that your organization, the Integrated Anti-Human Trafficking and Community Development Initiative, is in this fight to ensure that this criminal element are taken away from the society. But that's a fine place to leave the conversation for now. Executive Director, Integrated Anti-Human Trafficking and Community Development Initiative, Hope Okoye. Thank you for talking to us.